Okay, doing the linseed oil finish, and I got some good information from some guys online there. Mixing about 60-40 of mineral spirits and boiled linseed oil, and then putting it on with your finger or your hands. I've seen Mike Bellevue do that with a different product, but it really does a good job. So you just kind of put your fingers in there and just start rubbing. And I actually remember, this takes me back to when I was a kid, when I remember watching my dad refinish furniture and hardwood floors. He was an expert woodsmith, I guess you'd say, or woodworker. And this is very reminiscent of what he used to do. So the gentleman online told me you got to do 20 coats. I don't know if I'm going to do 20 coats, but we'll see how it turns out. But it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I don't know how much the camera's picking up, but the finish is just beautiful. This oil finish on this the red chestnut stain that's kind of a wine color or burgundy color. I mean, it's just beautiful. Let me show you what I used. Like I mentioned before I started, I used this pre-stain, Minwax pre-stain wood conditioner to eliminate blotches, and you might not need that on this fine wood, but I used it anyway. It says you should use it for like pine and things like that, but this is what I used for the stain, red chestnut, Minwax number 232. I think it's beautiful. So anyway, that's where that is. And just a quick update on the barrel. Last night I found out that I'm a much better woodworker than I am a metalsmith. I kind of boogered up the front side a bit. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, that front sight definitely got boogered up a bit. But I've learned my lesson. In the rear sight that I'm going to do today, back here, I'm going to wrap an ice pack around this portion of the barrel, and I'm going to heat this sight up in the oven so that this expands and that contracts. See if that works and requires less physical pounding on the barrel. So should have this ready to shoot next weekend, I hope.